Welcome to BRAINBOX Learning Consult, wherever you're watching from. I am Mr. Maro, your regular host. Today we'll be talking about logarithm. And before now, we've talked about indices, and where we talked about indices associated to powers. Indices actually associated to powers, like in terms of logarithm. Logarithm is actually associated with base. When you talk about logarithm, it actually deals with base. So it's just like the opposite of indices. Today I'll be showing you some things you need to know about logarithm. It's going to be an interesting class, and it's going to be in series form. Please ensure you follow through the series. Quickly, let's see this expression: a raised to the power of m equals to b. Now this is an expression. In this expression, this is likely to be an indices expression. It can be taken to logarithm. There are a connection between indices and logarithm. Now, in logarithm, we assume this to be the log. This is your base. The value that a number is raised to power, or the value that has the raised to power, is actually your base. While the power itself is your answer when it comes to logarithm. So what do I mean? This can be transferred into logarithm. For instance, if I want to transfer it into logarithm, this is log. This is your log. Log what? B. This is your base. Base what? A. Equal to, what's the answer there? The power is the answer. M. That's your logarithm. So that's the transferring of the indices into logarithm. 125 equals to 5 raised to the power of what? 3. So like I said, this is our log. This one, what is standing there is the log. So that will be log what? Log 125 base of 5 is equals to what? The power is 3, and that's our answer. The power is 3, that's the answer. You can see that there is relationship between indices and logarithm. So where indices is dealing with the power, logarithm is dealing with what? The base. So I hope this has helped you. Please check over other series so that you get to know the full package of logarithm. Thanks for watching.